I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect ChatGPT to your website. We'll cover the fundamental process, ensuring you understand each crucial step. This guide will help you integrate powerful AI into your site, enhancing user interaction. You'll learn about the necessary components and how to set them up effectively. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for bringing conversational AI to your online platform. The first critical step involves securing your OpenAI API key. This key acts as your unique identifier, authenticating your requests to the AI models. You'll need to visit the OpenAI website, create an account, and then generate this key from your personal dashboard. Remember, treat your API key like a password. Keep it confidential to prevent unauthorized usage and protect your account. Next, you'll integrate the API on your website's backend. This typically involves using a server-side language such as Python or Node.js. Your backend code will take user input from your website, send it to the OpenAI API, and then await the AI's response. It's crucial to handle this communication securely and efficiently, ensuring data privacy and optimal performance for your users. Finally, you'll implement the front-end to display the chat interface and AI responses. This involves creating a user-friendly design where users can type questions and see the AI's answers. After implementation, rigorous testing is essential. Test various scenarios, edge cases, and user inputs to ensure the chatbot functions smoothly and reliably, providing a seamless conversational experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.